As consumers, we seldom realize that metal cast parts are essential components in cars, trucks, aircraft, house fixtures, business devices, and so on. We also fail to realize that metal cast components represent a significant portion of manufactured goods in the United States. Traditionally, these components are made in foundries, being poured into sand molds that have been formed in pattern shops using conventional tooling methods. However, in recent years, the U.S. foundry industry has been struggling in the wake of offshore competition and changing technologies. A new method of manufacturing is set to revolutionize this industry in the United States and make it globally competitive once again by making the metal cast process quicker and more cost-effective for all. Additive manufacturing technology is enabling pattern shops to actually 3D print sand core molds, producing parts that provide better performance on machines and vehicles. To understand the impact this technology can have, we must first highlight how a conventional sand cast part is made. Pattern shops work up the design for a specific required part and then make the tooling by which sand molds are made. This is called subtractive manufacturing. This is the most efficient method of production when you need to make a large number of parts at one time. Molten metal is poured into the sand mold, and once cooled, the part can be further processed with sandblasting and/or other subtractive processes to get the desired surface characteristics. With additive manufacturing technology, you can skip several steps to make your sand mold. It allows pattern shops to take a drawing and develop a 3D design that can be sent directly to a sand core printer. This printer then prints out the mold, and a casting can be poured into this mold. Essentially, the development of the part can be accelerated, thereby minimizing the time and expense of production. This technology is best utilized when metal cast parts need to be made quickly, when a part is complex or requires highly customized design, or only a few parts need to be produced for a particular project. Up until recently, many U.S. foundries and pattern shops have lacked the capital resources and technical expertise to integrate this state-of-the-art technology into their existing business models. In order to address this, our government initiated a new public-private consortium to accelerate the integration of additive manufacturing technology into our manufacturing base. Specifically, America Makes, the National Additive Manufacturing Institute, has allocated funds to the Youngstown Business Incubator for a project that will bring together foundries and pattern shops to leverage this technology in a low-risk platform when the appropriate market drivers for part production are present. There will always be demand for pattern shops and foundries to continue to use conventional processes, but by also having the capability to print molds and cores using 3D sand printers, the industry will become more agile and globally competitive. The value proposition of this is immeasurable for the manufacturing industry and the country as a whole.